Hello everyone, in this video let's start with the series roadmap to become competitive programmer 5 star. So in this video I'll be solving 29th problem which says minimum cars required. So a single car can accommodate 4 people. Okay, that is a standard thing, until it is a Lamborghini or something like that, because it has only 2 seats. So here let's say a car can accommodate 4 people and friends want to go to a restaurant for a party. Find the minimum number of cars required to accommodate all the friends. Okay. The first line contains a single integer t, the number of test cases, then test cases follow. Okay, let's try to take care of the test case. We'll take int t, and first number will be a test case, so we'll take into t, and we'll iterate through a loop t times. And first and only line of each test case contain an integer n. So first and only line of each test case will contain integer n denoting the number of friends. So we'll have to output the minimum number of cards required. Okay. Now let's try to understand the example. There they have given 4 examples. In the first example, the number of people are exactly 4. Let me take you to the board and explain you. Just now I've cleaned the board, so it is still wet. I'll try to write it here. So n they're given is 4. So they're saying in a car, let's assume there is a car and there are 4 seats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here let's say he's a driver and a person sitting in the front, 2 people in the back. So there are 4 friends. So definitely if you look at the diagram, we need only one car. One car is required, so 1 is our answer. But how do we solve using mathematics? What we will do is we'll take number of cars. Cars required will be n divided by 4. That will be 4 by 4, which is 1. Okay. Let's try to take the second example. In second example, people number of friends are only 2. So in second example, if you see n is equals to 2, n is 2. So if you try to visualize, so 1, 2, 2 friends will be sitting and still 2 seats are left vacant. So we need only one car so that both the friends can go to a restaurant and have some food. So in this case also, if you see car is equal to n by 4, which is 2 by 4, which comes out to be 0. This is very strange, right? See, we need one car, but if you try to do in mathematics, 2 by 4 will be 0. I'm doing integer division. If you try to do floating, that will be 0.5. So I'm not doing that, but I'm doing integer division. So our answer will be 0. So where are we lacking? If you're saying visually we need one car, but if you do by mathematics, we're getting 0. So one thing to note is that if the number of friends are multiple of 4, let's say 4, 8, 12, 16, so in that case this will hold good. Like let's say 4 people will accommodate in this car. Let's say 8 people, so 4 will come here, 4 will come here, so that will accommodate. Now if the number of friends are not multiple of 8, in that case some places will be vacant, as you can see in this case. So to handle that, what we'll do is we'll do a modulo operator. In previous some of the examples also we have seen we use modulo operator to take care of the remainder. So you'll have to find a remainder also, that will be n modulo 4. If you do 2 modulo 4, our answer will be 2. So whenever if there is a remainder, like if you divide by 4, our remainder will be 0, 1, 2, 3. These 3 will be the remainder. So if you encounter any reminders 1, 2 or 3, so in that case we need additional one car to accommodate. So as you can see, in this case n by 4 is giving 0, but remainder is giving 2. So if remainder is having some value like 1, 2 or 3, so in that case we need one car. So we'll do car plus equals to 1. So yeah, in this case also one car we require. Let me take you to the third example. That will still help you to visualize. third example, say in the first we required 1, in the second we require 1. Let's go to third. So in third example, n is equal to 7. So if you visually see, we require 2 cars, 1 front, 2 front, 3, 4, 5, 6, let's say 7. So when you see from the visually, so we require 2 cars. So how do you solve mathematics? So cars will be n by 4. This will give you 7 by 4. If you do that, will give only one answer. But as I said, if there is any the number of friends are not multiple of 4, in that case there will be vacant vacant space in the car. So that case will be handled by the remainder. So let's take the remainder. Remainder will be 7 modulo 4, and 7 modulo 4 give answer 3. So whenever if there is any 1, 2 or 3 remainder, in that case one additional car we require, so which is 2. So as you got like which is the answer 2. Let's try to understand the fourth one. In the fourth case, we cannot visualize through our naked eyes, because we can, but that will take a lot of, we need to draw a car. So what we'll do is we'll directly solve by mathematics. So cars will be n by 4, which is 98 by 4. If you do 98 by 4, 4 2s are 8, 1 remains, 18 we have, 4 4s are 16, and 2 remainder 2 remains, so 2 by 4 will be 0, so nothing. So 24 cars required, but let's take remainder. Remainder will be 98 modulo 4. Since in this we had a 2, so 2 will be our remainder here. So since there is a remainder, we need additional 1 car, which is 25. So let's try to check. It is saying 25 only. So I think pretty much you got the problem statement. We need to now find cars. We'll take int, which is cars. That will or let us take number of cars. That will be n by 4, and we are checking if remainder int remainder is equal to n modulo 4. If remainder is greater than 0, which means we are getting some value 1, 2 or 3. So in that case we need to increase this number of cars by 1, and at the end we'll have to print number of cars. Let's try to run the code. 11225, 11225. Let's try to submit the code. Yeah, it got accepted. It was easy only. You need to just figure it out, the division and modulo, that's it. So thank you guys for watching the video.